You're watching iLovei. My name is Nate.
I'm Sonny.
And today we're in the west side in Los Angeles, and we're checking out this place called iLovei.
So this place has been redone in the Century City Mall, Westfield Mall. And it's like a whole grocery store / restaurant, food court. You literally get your hair done, buy groceries, and have a good meal. So come check this out with us.
Oh.
What's up, everybody? So we got a lot of food again. We're technically not even done. We're only on one side of this place, so.
They even have the sit-down restaurants on the other side that we're gonna try to make our way to.
We're at this place called iLovei in LA, and it's like a deli, restaurant, grocery store inside of a Westfield mall.
Dude, it's crazy. So, if you want to do your grocery shopping, buy your fresh produce. You can buy your your pastas,
get
breads,
your hair did,
get
it done on the same day.
Even get some cheese, like some bricks of cheese too.
Yeah, man. Like they sell full-blown legit Italian. And we did get some of our food, so we got stuff that you can actually just go and approach the counter and buy. And then there's places where you do have to be seated down.
Yeah. So from the counter, we got some pizza, some sandwiches, and a plate. Let's start off with that pizza.
Oh, man, I must say, man, like this pizza looks freaking amazing. So this is called the sorpresita, and it has sorpresita salami, tomato sauce, and parsley.
He totally said that he was like Hispanic and shit.
Look. Amazing. But yeah, I want to try this out. This looks nothing like LAUSD.
And if you want to know what he's talking about, check out that video up there. Wait, what was this called? I'm just thinking it's salami.
Sorpresita salami?
Sorpresita salami. That's good. Really salty.
Dude, that's bomb. I could do that.
Yeah. That's some real deli meat right there. All right, so we have some prosciutto, some homemade chips, salsa verde.
That's some salsa verde, not pesto sauce?
I think it's pesto sauce.
But his bread is like bricks.
Yeah. This bread is hard.
But I flavor it out. Good. I still like prosciutto republics. No.
Oh. Yeah, it's all right. I just think the bread's way too hard. Good flavor, though. Feels like you're going to chip your tooth trying to bite into that bread.
Here's the Kodo.
It looks like it has like some, tomato pesto.
We're making up names ourselves now, look.
Some cheese and some meat.
It looks like pizza in the bread.
This is what I
got a strong cheese flavor, really pungent.
This is what I came here for. They had some prime ribs, some roasted potatoes, and this is polenta. It's like a cornmeal.
This looks amazing right here. Forever, ever.
This is like a corn-flavored mashed potato. That's what it tastes like.
And they got Andre 3000 playing up in the radio right here, man. That's what's up. Look at this. Dude, that's bomb. Seasoned well.
That is good. It's a good prime rib.
Polenta's made, right?
But this polenta, though, that's bomb. I've never had this before, but
It's like baby food.
yeah, it'd be good if you had no teeth. And they got other places too. They have coffee spots. They have dessert spots. If you want some tiramisu, you got some there. Chocolates.
But they got everything in this place,
Yeah.
for real.
You can literally have lunch, dinner, and do your grocery shopping all in one section. So come check this out. Thanks for joining us today. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that bell notification so that way you'll get notified for more videos that come out.
And share this with your family and friends.
Because they'll love it.
Catch you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.